but it seems to be rather absurd when I know the truth is that I